Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to change default applications for specific common file extensions on Ubuntu. Double-clicking a file only to have it launch in the wrong software wastes your time, but remapping the file type association rules opens your media instantly in your preferred app. First, open File Manager application by clicking on the Files icon tool located directly on your dock panel layout. Navigate through your local directory and locate the specific file whose extension type rules you want to modify, such as a video file, a text document, or an image profile. Right-click directly on the file asset. Click directly on the row option explicitly labeled Open With to reveal a clean index list tracking your entire system's compatible software applications. Browse the available applications list and tap directly on the choice selection row corresponding to the software you want to prioritize as the new system default. With your preferred application successfully highlighted, click on Always Use for this file type. Click Open to watch it snap open inside your newly designated application automatically. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.